Hey, Joseph. Thank you for clicking on my video today. And I'd like to start today with a little intro of myself. I love doing what I do, and I enjoy helping people grow. So let's get to it. With that being said, I took the liberty of pulling up your site. Looks like a good site. I like your logo, and got some content on here. But what Google really wants and what they really look for to help rank you up there is content. Now, let's put content into word counter. Looks like you got 260 words, counting on your front page. Google loves content. 1,500 to 2,000 words is what they look for, and keywords are very important here, and Google loves that. Now let's look at your competitor. Uh, your competitor here is just sprinklers. Okay, let's see if we can find them here. There they are. Oh, right here. Sorry about that. And here we go. Now, just sprinklers is pretty ranked up there in the Google. So let's see what they got for keywords and their word counter. They have 888 words. Wow. Now that's pretty good. Not too bad. I mean, we could put 889 and still blow them out of the water. So, yeah, with that being said, content is what Google looks for and they love. Second thing I want to talk about is backlinks. Now, backlinks, not all of them are created equal. Google loves trustworthy ones. And well, here's this tool. We'll look at backlinks. And I plugged in your site into this tool. It's called Ahrefs. And right here, this right here is the trust, the DR right here. And this is the strength of your site. And it says you have 815 backlinks here on your site. Oh, sign back in. Sorry about that. All right. So here we go. Here's some different backlinks, and all these link to all your pages that you have. Right here, let's see, there's some traffic, and each one says how much traffic is going through and referring domains. So let's go back to overview. And this is what we really want to see. 813 backlinks. Let's see what your competitors got. Okay. Wow, they have 1.14 thousand backlinks and 1.2 thousand organic keywords. Now, they're not really ranked organically up there because basically they need certain keywords that help them rank. So let's go through and kind of look for those. Sorry about that. Okay, now who in their right mind is going to put firewood for sale near me on a sprinkler site? No. I mean, yes, this is a high search volume, but they only get a limited number of these, so it don't really matter. So basically with backlinks, that's in a nutshell, that's what that is. And we can uh, definitely beat them in backlinks. No problem, because we have access to all the backlinks, same ones they got. And also, all we have to do is put in 129, maybe a little bit more, or excuse me, 1.14 thousand backlinks, and a little bit more of those. And that's about all I want to touch on backlinks. Third thing I want to talk about with you, Joseph, today is citations. Now, with citations, You kind of want to be kind of up in the what we call a map pack, and let's go check it out. Let's see what these guys. All right, so this right here is called the map pack, and basically what it is, it's like a phone book, so to speak, of your business. When you really want to get up here to the top three. I mean, all you need to get up here is keywords basically, and could definitely use the same ones as these guys, your competitors here. Um, but in a nutshell, I mean, that's pretty much all citations are. I mean, we can go into a certain tool that we also use to find those citations and whatnot. So, well, anyway, thank you, Joseph, for taking the time to listen to my video. This is free information, so you could do with it as you please. Feel free to give me a call if you like someone to do this job for you and look into it. Um, Call me anytime, 505 Thank you for your time again, Joseph, and you have a wonderful day.